democratizing home design is a husband and wife team in Florida.
Basically, it's bringing low-cost, upscale home design. Very attractive solutions. I really like where they're approaching with this, and I love the sustainability aspect of this.
I thought it was really interesting how they'd taken so much wood product, lumber, out of the process. We do need more trees around, taking the carbon out of the air, so that's a plus.
And just looking at the steel framework and knowing that it saves 3.5 acres of forest is amazing. Design, sustainability, and affordability is always going to win in my mind.
In a recent America by Design architecture episode, we met Pablo here in Florida, and I had rather a stark conversation with him about price per square foot to build houses. Let me recap. See these giant mansions over here? Now they're worth $16 to $30 million, but their price per square foot to build them is around $6,000. Now these rather modest apartments over here, their price per square foot to build those is around $500. Now Pablo is building homes way more impressive than those for half that. So I thought I'd come back to dive into the weeds and find out how he's doing it. Now, Pilar, I've got you away from Pablo for a minute. What do you think Pablo's secret sauce is?
I think it's all about passion. It's his passion towards what he's doing. And that passion, he goes to the collaborators and providers, and they just jump in.
They follow?
Yes.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Now, it's your job to sell the homes. I assume you lead with the green?
Yes, I try to, but when the customers see the final home, they are all about the Italian kitchens, European doors, the finishes.
Oh, really?
The interior finishes.
Not so much about saving the planet.
Not so much about that.
Maybe we want both.
We need both. Yes, of course. That is the main objective, having both.
So, Craig, this is where the construction really begins, not on site, but here.
That's correct. For our product, it starts here, because what we do is take the architectural plans and we put all the rough openings and the heights and the settings into this model. Once this model's set, the guys on site don't have to think about it.
And this looks like a row of condos, Pablo?
Yeah, everything that you see is a block of 10 condominiums ready to be printed.
It's funny you should say printed, because it does sort of strike me as being like 3D printing.
Very similar process. So what you see here will be what comes out of the machine.
After that is just assembly and installation.
Yeah, stick it on a truck and away it goes, out to site.
Right.
So Craig, is Pablo onto something here?
Yeah, it's looking that way.
And this is really good news for you. You're a steel guy.
I'm a steel guy.
The American steel industry has been decimated, hasn't it, in the past?
Yeah, it seems to be coming back.
So it's all American steel?
It's all American steel, all American product.
That's what I like about this too. The whole thing is homegrown.
Yeah.
So imagine you could scale this thing in this factory. You've got plenty of room.
That's what the plan is. The orders are coming in and the product's working.
So the trucks will be stacked up outside, taking it everywhere.
That's where we're heading. That's where we're heading.
Okay, so this is a project halfway through. How big's this home?
Mike, this house is 3,005 square feet, 4 bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, and a flex room.
Okay, quite a big family home. There's a lot of steel here.
Yes, one of the benefits of our system is that we're trying to recycle using recycled materials. This is the equivalent of recycling 7 cars.
Huh, and of course, more often than not, this would be timber framing.
That is correct. What we're trying to do here is continue saving the planet. With this house only, we're saving around 3.3 acres of forest.
Gosh, that's just for this home. And it's not a very busy work site. I mean, I think I've counted 4 guys here.
Yeah, we have 4 guys. Our system is built with 4 guys in 10 days. When in comparison with the regular construction system, it will take you around 60 days and 50 people.
Now, recently, your homes were put to the ultimate test.
Yes, Hurricane Ian.
Hurricane Ian, of course.
Such a scary day for me. Not for Pablo, though.
Oh, really? Why were you not scared?
Well, Mike, we did a really good job in pre-planning and designing the home, and we knew that the house will stand hurricanes like this one.
His response was numbers are numbers and engineering doesn't fail.
Don't you love engineers? It's a hell of a ride being entrepreneurs, isn't it?
Yes.
It is, Mike, and we're basically run out of passion because we want to make a difference in the area that we live.
Do you think one day you're going to end up in one of those big mansions over there?
No, actually, no, Mike, that's not our dream. We rather prefer to be living in a house that is making a difference for the world than just in a white elephant that is just big numbers.